Your world perspective changes after you have a child. And I had been at a Holocaust conference at Vanderbilt in Nashville, and they were showing the work of an artist whose name escapes me at the moment, who did these amazing pencil drawings of his experiences during the war and in concentration camps. And there were these drawings of the Nazi police in the I can't think what they were called now, the Gestapo, I guess, but it wasn't. It was the capos, who were using infants as target practice, and they would just take babies and throw them in the air and shoot them in the air. And these drawings were just so full of emotion and so incredible that and I had a 1-year-old at the time, and I remember thinking, you know, how could anybody do this? This is impossible, you know. And it was one of those stories that started to be so much clearer. And so I think that that was sort of the beginning of me needing to sort of know more about not where I came from, but where we came from, you know, and where we've been and where we're going.